Welcome. In front of me is an iPhone 15 Pro, and today I will show you how you can enable and also set up your Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So to get started, we're gonna pull down our control center, which we do by swiping down from the top right side of the screen, like this. And this will display a bunch of different toggles. Now the one that we're interested in is the focus one right here. Now it might have a different icon next to it, but that doesn't really matter. What you want to do the first time around is just hold it, and this will give you the couple different options that we have access to, which one of them is the Do Not Disturb mode. From here, you want to click on the three dots next to the Do Not Disturb and select Settings. And this will then redirect you to the settings where you can customize the mode. So here, whatever you will be selecting is basically exclusions when the mode is running. So what the mode will actually just skip over and won't change. So we have option for people. So here you can select who can call you or message you. Then going back, we have apps. So you can exclude apps from being affected by this mode. And we have a bunch of other additional things. For instance, things like the schedule. So here you can select schedules, start and end time, and also days of the week. And if you're planning to use a schedule, then all you need to do is just enable that. So in here you have the toggle on, as you can see. But for everyone else who wants to use it manually, once you set it all up, all you need to do is find the toggle and tap on it. Now if you have a different icon than a moon right here, you could just hold it and simply tap on the Do Not Disturb in here. And this will automatically change the icon here in the focus mode to the moon, aka Do Not Disturb mode. And whenever you turn it off and on, it will continuously be turning on and off the Do Not Disturb mode, because it will be turning on and off the most recently used function, which in this case is the Do Not Disturb mode for me. Anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.